Hello and welcome. My name is Henry and this is my video blog Henry Wonders. So morning coffee, my cup of coffee, and I'm going to my very small bulk to have my morning coffee since my friend Mahel recommended me to do it. So I told you before I will go to drink the coffee somewhere. I feel it's not nice, so I don't know if I will agree, but yeah, let's try. And look at this, actually, it's very cool. Someone covered like the van with the plantation and it's really nice. Okay, I think life is tough. I don't know what to do. It's too beautiful here. Really, I'm forced to drink my coffee somewhere too beautiful. Look at this spider web. Look how giant it is and look how big it is, like house. I don't want to mess with that spider. Probably a badass. I decided to go with my friend Aristides to the river called Gregorakis. I'm waiting for Aristides and lying on the hammock looking at the trees. It's so nice and so calm. Da-da-da-da-da. Wow, look, YouTube. It's so beautiful. Look at the mountains. I think I should climb it one day.
You what?
I should climb the Fegari.
I want to do that also.
I'm dressed like very strange because it's very sunny and no shade, and Aristides doesn't care.
Yeah, I don't care at all. I'll get maybe I'll faint at some point, but
Maybe we'll get tanned, maybe we'll get faint. For me, either I will faint, either I get burned. So, okay.
I'll first get burned, but I've already been there, so I'll just get tanned.
It's the only down part of this road. It's a very short road. We're going to does Gregorakis has a meaning, by the way?
Gregorakis is a Greek name, but Grigoris is the name, and Gregorakis is it kinda means small Grigoris.
Oh, okay,
No,
like the key in the end.
Yeah.
Like souflaki, katsiki, and many other words.
Oh, yeah, but no, that's a bit different. It might be the same letters, but it means something entirely different.
Oh, you see? So I don't know anything. I just pretend. I think I know. Ne. Pame, signomi.
No, it's okay.
Wow.
I think we're in the right place.
Yeah, it's there. We are almost there, guys. YouTube. But thank God that you're probably in your house, in your cold house, in the shade, drinking a mojito. I hope for you and watching us doing this long sunny way. Finally, we reached the first pool. The water is clear and cold as ice. At the beautiful nature. Of course, yeah, a small tree, yeah, like maybe 1 year old, very small. And ta-da, shablam, shabloom. Ella, so many beautiful pools. This looks like a small heaven, so I will go there to show you this piece of heaven. Whoa! I don't want to say this, but it's just too good to be true. Look how cool. Someone built a house on the tree. It looks really nice. I wouldn't go up because it's probably private, but it looks really nice. Okay, I'm still in like an unbelievably a beautiful place. And look who I came to visit today. Hello, darling. He's keeping the entrance of the tree. Look. All of this huge space is just inside the tree. And I think there it's like, I'm not sure if it's the tree or like a fungus. Anyway, it looks very interesting. If I was a bit more adventurous, I would maybe go inside. But I'm not. But I will try and show you the tree, if you didn't get tired of gigantic trees. Well, I didn't. I want to hug it. I think I will hug it. It's impossible with the video. I will stop the video and hug it, okay? You will have to believe me because there is no one here to film me hugging the tree. And anyways, I want to hug it alone, okay? So I'm just gonna hug it. Continued climbing up and up and up and up, and I reached this point. It looks very wild, like you see I'm like inside a canyon. There are almost no people, only like really a few, which I will try to avoid in the video. It's really amazing, and I see up there is like a way to continue going up, but I think I need to use this rope. I'm not sure I'm gonna do it. But I will sit here, I will chill a bit, maybe, I don't know, have something to eat, listen to some music. Then either, maybe I leave my bag and I climb, maybe I just come back down. Essentially up there was, the rope was, I decided not to do it, and there was not much space for me to like relax. So I get down a bit and I found this small piece of heaven. Check it out. And I will chill here. I have my private pool, my small waterfall, which is beautiful. And look, there is a froggy. Froggy, quack. 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 And wait for it. Shablam! Pop-wham! This is so dramatic. Of course. So I was very hungry after climbing all the mountain, and I went to the restaurant with my very cute, very friends. We destroyed a lot of food, of course. After the food and climbing, I felt like this dog looks. I was so tired. Ziluf. My vlog is international, okay?
The Ziluf.
The Ziluf. The Ziluf. He's very nice, Ziluf. The Ziluf. But I don't like sweet food. I like sweet tsipuraki. For me, this day in paradise is ending with a singing circle. It's okay, I don't care if it's a party or a singing circle. Anyways, it was a really nice day. The river was amazing, dinner was nice, and my friends are always amazing. I'll see you tomorrow. Please subscribe to my channel.